It's laundry day. Do laundry with me on a cruise ship. Laundry day is a tough day, and half the time I don't know if I'll make it through or not. First off, the laundry just arrived back. So let's take this off. This is Pete's shirt, so I have to divide up the laundry with Pete's pile and my pile. That is step one. Okay, so I've got Pete's pile. We need to put this away now. This is his closet, and we need to create a spot like that. And then put the, oh, this is so tough. Put the clothes in like this and shut the door. That was step 2. Step 3 is my clothes, and they go in this cupboard. Here's my stuff, and hang it up, close the door. And that was, you guessed it, step 4. Step 5 is they send the socks and Pete's underwear back in this. And it's my job to have to match up the socks and fold the boxer shorts. So, how's your guys' day going? Do you like laundry day? How did my shorts get in here? People are gonna ask, Christine, do you send your bras and underpants to the laundry? I don't own underpants. I've said it before in videos, don't need them. I wear skirts, I don't want them. I don't like underpants. Second off, my bras, I hand wash in the sink. Mama taught me how to do that years ago, and I do it myself. Now I gotta match the socks and put these away. That's it. Wait, we're not done yet. Okay, and then underneath here is a drawer where I will put Pete's new boxers and his matched socks. Then we have to get the new laundry ready. So I need a bag like this, and I need one of these laundry sheets that look like this. Now we have to get our new laundry ready to send in. So we're gonna create piles. Then I need to fill out this form with all of Pete's information. It is, I think it's the 6th, I don't know. Cabin is, N is in navigation 014, and his rank is Staff Chief Engineer. Bam. And we're gonna write down what we put in the bag. We put 1 gray pant, 1 gray shirt. We put 3 t-shirts. We put 2 boxer shorts, 4 pairs of socks, and a swim cover-up, and 1 of my skirts. We're gonna take this and we are gonna fold it up like this, and then I'm gonna turn around like this, and I'm gonna put it in the bag. That was laundry day. Wasn't it exhausting? In 24 hours, my laundry will be back again, and I'll need to hang it up in the cupboard. Bye, everyone. I'm tired.